pull, pull, long. Yep, pace yourself. This is an endurance race. We definitely were a little ahead on the start, and that is fantastic. Nice long strokes. We're gonna get out in the wind and just carry ourselves out. Just like that. There's the wind. Nice long strokes. Stay in sync. There we go. And there are sailboats on the course. Great. Nice long strokes. This is a long race. And together. And pull. Together. Long. Together. Nice and long. And stay in sync and pull, pull, pull. There you go. Just get a bit of a chop going. That's okay. Together. Pull. Got a nice cloud coming in, so we got some shade. Long. Long. And pull. Pull. Together. Pull. Together. Right. Let's do a power 20 to see if we can get out in front of them before they get out of the harbor. In 3, 2, 1, power. 2, 3, and sink. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Keep it long, keep it strong. You're doing good. Endurance race. They're going hard. They're racing each other. They're not thinking about the whole thing. Just keep it long, and we'll stay with them. Pull, and pull, pull, and sink, together, pull. We got the wind, we're moving. Together, pull, pull, together, pull. Long, lean forward, lean back, pull through. Nice and long. Use the weight of your body. Helps you row longer. It's less fatigue. Just use your weight. Lean back into it. Together. Try and do a power 20 in 3, 2, 1, power. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Long. Lean back. Lean back. You can reach and you can lean back. You can go a bit further. Bit further. Long together. As they're starting to walk away from us. And pull together. Long. Long. Together. Pull. Pull. Don't let up. Keep reaching. Don't get distracted. And pull. Long. Ethan. Long. You gotta reach. There we go. Keep reaching. Keep pulling. Pull. I want to beat them to the buoy because they are running like 100 plus feet wide for this corner for some reason. And long. Pull. It's still pretty far. A couple 100 yards. Pull. Pull. Keep it long and strong. Pull. Pull. Yep. Keep reaching and pull back. All the way forward, all the way back. Long strokes. Let's do a power 20. In 3, 2, 1, pull. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And pull. Long. Long. Keep pulling. Lean back. Lean back to the oar behind you. And forward to the life jacket in front of you. Long. Reach. There we go. Reach. And pull. 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 Together. Stay in sync. Starting to get a little choppy. And pull. Do a power 20. 3, 2, 1. Pull. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a power. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Pull. I want to get on the inside of them on this corner. Pull. 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 Let's power into this. Pull. It's not far. Less than 100 feet. Pull. Long. Pull. 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 Long. Pull. Pull. Long. 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 Port. Let it run. Starboard. Power now. Pull. Fall in. Let's go. And pull. 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 Throw them. You can do it. Long. Long. Let's go. Long. Pull. 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 Nice and long. Keep it going. They're right there. Pull. Let's stay in front of them. Pull. Pull. Long. They're letting up. They're giving up. Let's go. Long. Hard. Let's get around them. We're into the wind now. Long. Nice and long. Long. Throw your head back into it. All the momentum you can. Long. Long. Nice long strokes. Pull. 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 We're on our way back. Pull. We're pretty much at the halfway point, other than the wind slowing us down. Pull. Nice and long. Keep it strong. Pull all the way through. The longer your oars linger in the air, the more we're just getting pushed. We want to pull ourselves through the water. And pull. Pull. Long and pull. Long and sync together. Pull. 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 Together. Together. Awesome. Pull. Pull. Together. Stay together. And long. Long. Lean back into it. Pull. 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 Right there. Let's go. Get around them. Pull. 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 Long. Pull. Long. Long. They know what we're doing. Lean. Lean forward and lean back. Let's do a power 10, but quietly. In 3, 2, 1, power. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pull. Pull. Stay, yep. Keep it going. Nice and long. Pull. Together. Long. Remember to lean. Lean all the way forward. Bend in half. And straighten yourself back out. Pull. Long. Long. Pull. Pull. We got this. Pull. Long and strong and stay together. We're gonna do it. Long. Long strokes. Lean. Lean. All the way forward. All the way back. We got this. Pass them. You can do it. And long. 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 Together. And pull. 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 We got some wind. We're starting to get some white caps out here. Let's pull. Quick. And, well, not quick, but you know what I mean. Long. Long. Long strokes. And pull. Together. Pull. Long and strong. They're pulling away. We lost a little bit of space we made up. Let's make that back and then some. And 3, 2, 1, power. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's good. We're closing. Kinda. And pull. Pull. Together. Pull. Keep leaning. Keep pulling. We gain some ground, and then we lose some, because they're doing the stroke, we should be. It's long strokes. Yank on the oar. Pull. Pull us through the water. It's a lot of force right now. We're going into the wind. Pull. 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 Together. Pull. Nice. Long strokes. Pull. Pull. Long and strong. Together. Do it. Long strokes. And pull. 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 Everybody is aiming like 200 feet wide on this corner. Don't know why. Pull. Pull. Let's get going. We're coming up on the novice buoy, so we're not that far off from the expert and intermediate. And long strokes. Don't just use your arms, use your back, use your legs, use your arms, use your head, use your neck, everything you can to put momentum into this stroke. Just rock back and forth. And pull, pull, pull. Long strokes. You can do this. Look at this. We're making ground. Pull, pull, long, strong, doing great. Pull, pull, long strokes. Everything you can to make yourself go a little harder. Pull, pull, we're getting past them. Pull, pull, just don't let up. Don't give up that ground we just spent a lot of time making. Pull, pull, doing great. Pull, long. Let's do a power 10 in 3, 2, 1, power. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pull. Long. This is a great pace. We're making ground. Pull. Pull. Long. Don't let up. Pull. 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 Nice long strokes. You can do this. We can close ground on first place. And pull. Pull. We're going to make up time in this corner because they're going wide. Let's pull hard. Don't have a ton left in this race. Maybe a mile total, a little less. And long. Pull. Pull. Let's do a power 10 in 3, 2, 1, power. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I said 10. I realized why power dropped off. Okay. Keep it long. We're not just passing them and making a bigger gap. We are closing the gap in front of us. long strokes. The waves are dying down. This is our time to move. Pull, pull, pull. Pick up the pace a bit. Pull, pull. Like 3/4 of a mile left. Pull. Long, long, long. Pull, pull. We can do this. We're making good time. We're making up ground. We're doing great. And long strokes. Timed well with the waves, and we're good. Long. Keep it together. And pull. Pull. Remember to lean back. Don't just row with your arms. Row with your body. Pull. 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 Let's do a power 10. In 3, 2, 1. Power. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It's becoming 20. I lost count, so I'm calling that good on the power. Pull, pull, long strokes. Keep it long. We don't have much left. Half mile. Long strokes. Nice and powerful. There we go. Bring up the power a bit. Keep this ratio. Keep this stroke rate. Keep everything. Pull. 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 There we go. There we go. Let's go. And pull. 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 We're almost there. Almost to the buoy. Pull. First boat is making it around there right now. It's a 6. And pull. 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 Long, strong strokes. You got this. Remember to lean back and lean forward. Long. Let's do a power 10. In 3, 2, 1. Power. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and pull, pull, pull. We're fast on these corners. We can make more ground. Pull, pull, long and strong. Less than half a mile left. We can do this. Pull, pull. Nice and long, nice and strong. Stay in sync. You're losing it a little. Long. Together. Pull, pull. The next 4 is making it around the turn now. Pull, pull. Long and strong. Strong. Nice. Long. Do a power 10 and stay in front of them. 3, 2, 1. Power. 2, 3 in sync. 4 in sync. 5 in sync. 7 in sync. 8 in sync. 9 in sync. 10. Stay in sync. And pull. Together. Pull. Together. We're coming up on the buoy. Pull. Pull. We're going to power through this. And long strokes. Pull. Pull. Almost there. Together. As we get around this buoy, we are going to power to the finish. We're going to kick it into a great sprint pace. Pull. Pull. Long. Strong. Almost there. almost nice, long, strong strokes. You're starting to fade. We're coming up on this buoy. You need some speed. Jimmy D is right there. Pull. Power. Let's do 10 in 3, 2, 1. Power. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep it going. And pull, 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 pull. Good. Easy. There we go. Nice and strong. Let's do a power 10. The wind's pushing us. Pull. Power. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right, race pace. We're around the buoy. Kick it up. There we go. Come on. Quick catch. Up the rate. Together. Stay in sync. Watch the oar in front of you. Pull. Pull. Long. Pull. Nice quick catch. Quick recovery. Pull through the water. Pull. 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 Do a power 20 in 3, 2, 1. Power. 2 in sync. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And pull. Pull. Long. Strong. We're almost to the flagpole. Pull. You're really close to the end. This is the last race of the season. Last of the year. Pull. 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 Let's do a power 30. In 3, 2, 1. Power. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. A few more. 11, 30, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. And pull. Long. They're giving it. Pull. Pull. Power into the harbor. Let's go. Pull hard. Pull hard. Pull. Long. Don't let Jimmy D pass now. You did all this work. Pull. Pull. Hard. Long. They are catching. They stay in sync.
Hey, you want to beat me?
Pay. All right. Power 20 in 3, 2, 1. Power. 2, 3, 4, 5 in sync. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Pull. Power. Pull. 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 Hard. Don't give up. Don't let him pass. Not now. Pull. Everything. Everything you got. Long. Hard. Row. 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 Pull. 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 Hard. You can do this. Power. right here. Pull. Power. Hard. Pull. Pull. Hard. Hard. Strong finish. Don't give up. Few more strokes. We're almost there. Hard. Hard as you can. Everything. Everything. Hard. Hard. Long. Let it run. Awesome race. Good job, guys.